Hey everyone, Lensman Oz here, and welcome back to Captain of Industry. Let's see where we're at. I was just going through the Discord for Captain of Industry and looking at what some of the other people playing the alpha have done, and some of them out there that are creating these massive holes in the ground, digging everything out. It looks fantastic. So I don't even know how deep you can go down in the world. Apparently, it's quite far. You can dig underneath and dig everything out. And I guess you could also, using this arrangement, we could expand our island out flatter or you know, fill in some gaps, etc. So it'd be interesting to do this. I wouldn't mind seeing if I could designate that. Let's see. Is it possible, or would I need to create another mining tower? And we're waiting for things to happen, kind of. Food is okay. Let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can get a little bit of space around the back here. I need to kind of level some of this off. So let's flatten. Can I do this? Probably. Yeah, there's nothing. It's outside the towers. I got that. Not enough maintenance. Really? Okay, so some of this is going to end up being saying no, and then we'll put it as dumping designation maybe. It's quite. No. Okay, so if I now go through and get rid of some of this, we're just trying to get things at like level. And then we'll use, too far. Use some of this area as dumping designation. We'll see what we can do. Okay, so if then I go. Yeah, so that sort of cancels. Maybe the thing's there. We'll see if what it does. Let's just build a tower. Cancel that. What am I looking for? Mine control tower. Let's. Don't. You know, let's see if we can do this. I'm going to then change its area. Can only do so much. That's all right. We'll deal with this. We'll get another excavator. Okay, so not enough maintenance. So we need to do. Oh, we're out of power? Really? Oh, that's not good. That's not good at all. Okay, so if we're out of power, I need to turn other stuff off to get the steam going again, because this pump is essential. Let me look at. I'll whack a diesel gen here. And then I'm going to build a second one of these. I think, actually, what does this put out? It puts out 8 steam high per 60 second. 48 steam high per 60 second. This takes 24. I reckon I can build a second high pressure turbine. I think we organised this last time and we sort of worked around this. So let's look at. I think this is actually wrong, right? Should this be on this side? I think I built that incorrectly. Let's see what happens if I build it the other way around. And I'll reroute power if I need to. If I do this and then put the flywheel in. And then put the generators on. I'll need another smokestack because that one's full. Right, 1 second. Alrighty, sorry about that. A little bit sidetracked by life there for a second. Let me hook some pipes up. I should be able to go from here to here and from, I'm assuming is here to here. I'm hoping this will work. That's what I need. I need some more power. And then I'll shut this guy off because it's just sort of a backup. I probably can pause it. So ideally we really only want to be running on this because I'm getting the messages now that crude oil is getting low. So we're down to 4,000 worth of crude oil, and then we'll be relying 100% on the ships bringing it in, this stuff. In which case I can probably pull this stuff apart because this is fairly inefficient. And we've got a little bit of diesel over here. 4.5 tanks worth. This one's full as well. We've already got the new fuel station. So, yeah. Okay, we've got our excavator. Let's drop our excavator here and we'll give them a truck. And the idea will be that they're just going to be mining dirt. I kind of just want to fill this area out. So if I do need to put another farm in, I can put it down out here. Maybe. Depends if I'm allowed to put it on the fill area. I don't know. Just think it'd be cool to expand. Worst case, we build more housing or something out there. Anything's possible. Just let them go. I'm assuming he's just going to be digging rock out. What's he got? Just rock. This guy will dump it somewhere. Oh, I can assign him. Oh, okay, cool. He was unassigned there for a second. Put part of it there somewhere? Really? Yeah, see, you can just see it building out. Queued and waiting. But you didn't empty. What are you doing, pal? I want you to pour it all in this area. Hopefully it'll sort of work itself out. Yeah, he actually dumped it all that time. Anyway, nice. That'll do its thing. Let's check in on this. What do you require? 50 construction part 2. Oofed. That's expensive. It's alright, it'll get there though. Probably it seems to be building in the order I put it down. We're building and that's all that matters at the moment. Probably need to get that, like I said the other day, is running conveyors for this. That will be a flat conveyor, yeah. Yes, let's do it. Why not, right? Can I get this in here? Ah, it'll be expensive, but worth it as far as I'm concerned. We'll place rubber there, and then we'll be able to have this stuff happening automatically, and the trucks can go and do something else. Right, how are we going for people? 489. We probably need to send the ship off somewhere else. A bit of a look. Go and explore this one. Yeah. Let's see, this is getting low. Won't be long. Then we'll just run off this and this. Still going for assembly 2. Got all the rubber you need now. Spend the 8 unity. Very nice. Concrete, a go. Like, this obviously isn't the best source of water. And it probably would be smarter to put one of these guys down. This is only gonna be happening. Let's see. Water. There's groundwater here, so let's squeeze that in there, and then I'll just run the pipe here and remove this maybe. What are you doing? Getting there? Just slowly digging out. And we'll be able to look at the designation to see what's... Like, that's all gone, but... Yeah. Some of it's going to be a bit weird. This will all need filling. But as I said, you know, we're only designated to part of it. I can go... No, that's the area that wasn't in the thing. Once this fills up enough, we'll be okay. We'll just do their thing. Oop, there we found a person. Done. Ship has discovered damaged cargo ship. So, start repairs. And I obviously need the boat to come back, and then we'll go and repair the cargo ship. It'll take a minute or 2 to get back. Damaged cargo ship. Loading required materials 35. It said 200 iron. Oh, that's the oil rig. Do that one. Get the damaged cargo ship, and then we'll pick up the other oil rig. Let them load the iron plates up, because we should have tons of that. That won't be an issue. He's got 20 plates. Yeah, it's not going to take long at all. Let's see how quick this empties. Quick enough. Geez, fuel tanks on those things are pretty small. Don't think there's any way of making it, yeah, and we're literally topping it back up as we go. It's all right. So you should be loading. Repair you. It's only 30 plates, that's all right. All cargo loaded, we can send the ship on its way. Just if repaired. We'll wait for those plates, and then that should be good. This hill. Diggy diggy hole, right? Okay, that's repaired. Cool. That means that I should be able to click on this and deliver the cargo. Good. It should go and fix that ship, and then we'll have the two floating backwards and forwards. Just storage of wood out in the middle of nowhere. Getting down. Let's use the 3 and boost it. And then we need some pipes, right? I mean, this isn't hurting anything, leaving this here. It'll do its thing. Pump water and stop. Ah. New research. Okay, so where are we at? Advanced logistical control. Pipes 2. Steel smelting. Oxygen furnace air separator. So we take molten iron and oxygen is molten steel and exhaust. This provides oxygen and nitrogen, which is the air separator. And then molten steel to steel plates. So it's the whole steel process. Thermal decel is going to give us salt, fertilizers. All right, let's do steel. Ship deliver cargo. Cool. Let's go and check out. Can you go home? And the damaged cargo ship will be repairing. Awesome. That cargo ship will come back. This guy will come back and we'll get him loaded up with the materials to fix that other oil rig. Right, again, I don't know whether this is the right way or whether this is the right way. Still needs parts. And then these things are what generate power. And like shut the diesel gens down. Oh, we actually don't have enough power if we shut them down. Interesting. Let's get 2 of them going. But it says we're capable of 1.3. This isn't running yet though. I'll just monitor that. If I need to turn it on, I'll turn it on. Do that. All these things that I should have probably just gotten rid of earlier. Like that piece of pipe. And I think I've got one over here. This gives us those things back. It might only be like one piece of material, but hey, every piece counts. Okay, we're doing all right over here. So just digging in. Again, dumping designations flat. There we go. Awesome. We're getting there. So they should very slowly fill up this area and we'll be able to drive around the back here again. Okay, concrete's going well. A couple of construction parts, which I'm sure they're picking up and loading places like here. It's 35 more. Which, again, we're very slowly crafting. We've got a few heading over to construction parts 3, but that's why I didn't put an extra thing on it. What do you take? You're expensive. But are you worth it? Do I do it? Yeah, let's do it. It's going to cost me 7 to quick build it. Let's quick build it. Takes 35. But I believe it's quicker. Hello, what? Did that just activate? Yes, that's how quick it's just like literally dunk. Okay, I'm impressed. It's like, you know, you see this one with the green bar. This one's zipping through. Green bar, I think, was a little bit faulty there for a second, but that's pretty quick, right? So we're now producing 24 every minute. And it's producing 6 every minute. If I upgrade this, we're going to be a little bit more expensive on power, but I'm going to do it. Make 12 every minute now, so we're doubling the amount. Or a little bit under double the amount of power, but we are now hurting for power. So let's fire this up. And this one should just take the edge off. Do we get this going? This is 2. Let's get it running. All right, can you start up? Okay. So are you producing enough for me? 12. We need 24 every 60. You produce 12 every 60. I am gonna need, oh no, it produces 48 every 60, so that's okay. So yeah, it can run 2. Are you even running? Now you're starting. So we'll see, I don't know which way this is better or not. Okay, we now have lots more ability. We can now technically produce 1 megawatt. That must not even run. Why are you not running? Idle. Is it because you don't need to be running? You are connected, right? Now it's working. It's like it doesn't need to. Production will resume once the shaft's charge gets low. Keep in mind that when turbine starts, it takes some time before. Efficiency is that's 100%. This one, I guess, isn't quite what needed to happen. Maybe this is the right way of doing it. Look how fast this is running compared to this. This is only spinning when it needs to. Oh, that's got 500. We're not pushing out enough here. Yeah, I'm running out of steam. Okay. Time to get another boiler. Let's do this. Another boiler. Coal and water in that side. do you produce? 48 every 60. You need, I don't know how many 60. It's fine. Connect up. This is in a bad spot now. Okay, then we need water in. Might give it its own pump. I'm not sure what it... Okay, it's generating. And that'll definitely get us a power, and then I can turn those diesels off. We should be okay for parts now. Are you loaded? Cannot unload cargo. Shipyard is full. Okay, well, keep it empty, please. We'll come and unload the junk so that we don't have this stuff in here. I don't know where they're going to put it, but you need to unload the junk. Don't know what they're taking. Take the diesel and put it into here, I guess. That's what they're doing. How are we doing over here? 2,700. Pretty close to pulling all this out, which would be nice. Lots of coal. Lots of copper. Lots of sand. Lots of iron. We're doing okay. Steel is almost complete, and then we'll have to do a whole new steel setup, which will be, I'll put it here because then it'll be somewhere around here anyway, because we need iron and potentially coal, because we'll need to melt the iron and then we need to add the oxygen to it. So we will see. This isn't even running, to be honest, because iron plate's full. I'm not pumping it to anything. Iron plates are being used over here in this setup, and copper's coming to here. If we need to run it elsewhere, we can. Done loading cargo for oil rig. Very nice. Which was here. Deliver. Research is done. Okay, so maintenance, conveyor belts. So we've done steel. Maintenance 2 is steel plates, copper plates gives us 220. Ship bridge, ship engine. Part of me wants to look at this. Seawater pump provides seawater. Makes water and brine. Brine gets evaporated into salt. But I don't know what to use salt for yet. I'm not sure. Let's do pipes 2 for now. $501 pops. Might need to upgrade another one of these yet, so that we have the more space. Look at them starting to dig in. It's looking nice. So steel smelting is done. What did we get there? So we got oxygen furnace. Creates steel by blowing pure oxygen under high pressure into molten iron, lowering its carbon content. So we need the air separator pumping into one of these, but then we also need the liquid metal, the liquid iron. So if we put it here somewhere, oxygen furnace. Okay, air separator. Let's see what we can do here. Gonna pump it here, and then the oxygen furnace. Let's zoom in a bit. It's not great, is it? Molten in. Oxygen furnace is on the wrong side. Okay, let's put this here. I'm gonna actually move this. I'm gonna put the separator this side. Like here. And I'm assuming pipes like that, and then I guess we're going to have to use the nitrogen somewhere, so I might just tank it up. For now. Alright, and we'll get all this going. And then I need one of them. And then I need this stuff. So let's do... Kind of want to take it off here. You know what? Flip is F. Like so, and then something like that. And then we're going to have steel coming out, molten steel, and then I guess we can metal cast it. Yeah, so transport is molten channel. And then we want to go into some sort of storage. Truck cannot find any trees to harvest. Okay, let's designate some more trees. Have at it. Boiler needs a transport to output pressure steam. Did I not do that right? Did that wrong again, didn't I? Oh, that's high pressure. What did I mess up? Oh, I didn't connect here. Okay. What do I do there? Let me... get rid of that. I'll let it go first. And then we'll rebuild the pipe. Try that, Pete. Yeah? Are we good? Are we good now? Got 2 boilers. Just need to get... I just need to run coal in. Did I mess that up? I did. Oh, that's so derpy of me. Look where the conveyor is. It's right there. Don't worry about me, folks. I was really daft. Really daft. Oh boy. So you just need to... Will that work now? Good, and then we want... hand pipe. Let's try again. Oh boy. Silly, silly me. Okay. High pressure steam out. Are we working again? Do I maybe cut this so that each one's only running one? Anyway, let's cut down some diesel gens and then I'll wrap up. So thank you all for watching. Comments down below. We're up to steel now. This will get built in between or when we fire up the next episode. And then we'll start producing steel. Maybe we'll be able to get some better maintenance. But until then, thank you for watching. Comments down below. And I'll see you next time. Bye now.